numbers. We can't sell regular sticky numbers.
Good morning. It's Sunday morning.
Hi, Michael.
It's Katie
I get that $40.
and Aaron and these idiots. we're gonna autocross. It's gonna be great. I got cold and so I had to go to Target and get this hat because my face was not warm. But we're on for a good day. It's cold, it's Sunday, it's November, it's the last autocross of the year, and we're gonna go real fast. Okay, we're about to start. Everybody's scattering for first heat. We'll be back shortly. We just finished up the last runs. Aaron's packing my car.
I think I got third in packs!
We got, yeah, I think she got third in packs. I got third in big boy packs.
Yay! High five!
High five.
We suck at high five.
And McCartney and his Tesla came in first in D Street. Todd likes Miatas, I think.
I like Miata.
I think I won East Street. Yeah, I did. I won East Street. I didn't win PAX though. But it was a good day. It was a good day? Yeah, it was a good day. Soon to come are, I guess, awards. Probably, yeah, awards. We will fill up the trailer with all the cones and things and get it packed up tight. And that'll be all she wrote for this season. Boy, it was a good season. It's shorter than only nine this year, but they were fun. It was a little cold to start with. I'm not wearing all my scruff. I am wearing my cheap Miatas Matters shirt though that Erin made me. She made it for me, and it was really good. I like it. Okay.